non-living. Okay. All right. So the biggest thing that we want to take away from the camphor crystals, all right, is because it's hard to kind of tell what it is, right? All we see was that they were shaking. We don't see, we can't tell if it breathes, we can't tell that if it eats, we can't tell if it grows, we can't tell anything like that, right? But one of the things that we need to start thinking about when we think about evidence of life and how we can tell something is living or non-living is we have to start asking ourselves a few questions, right? So, what are some questions do you need to ask yourself to decide if something is living? What evidence do you need to look for to decide if something is living? All right. So, I want you to think for a second. I want you to then, after you think, I want you guys to chat, put in the chat, tell me what are some questions you need to decide if something is living or non-living, and what evidence are you looking for? All right, and then after that, for some participation points, I want a few of us to share out what do we think are some questions and what are some evidence that we're looking for to decide if something is living or non-living. All right, because right now, I see a lot of us we wrote that we thought that the camphor crystals were living. Some of us thought that it wasn't living. But what are some things that you're looking for when you're trying to decide if the camphor crystals are living or not living, or anything for that matter is living or not living? All right. And what evidence are we looking for? If something is living or non-living. All right, guys, it's about 20 of us in here, 25 of us in here. There should be a lot more responses in the chat right now. Because remember, we're trying to earn our participation points for today. We're trying to earn our 5 crowns, trying to earn that science A. I love that, Julie. You said, will it grow? Exactly. Does it grow? What does it need? Does it need food? Does it need air? Looking for a lot more answers.